We're back, friends, with a new video. Welcome to the world of aerial freedom with DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. This new drone takes the flying experience to a new level of creativity and excitement. Before I start, I'll explain a little bit about the drone. Amazing specifications. 4K Ultra HD camera with 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor. RockSteady 2.0 and HorizonSteady image stabilization technology to ensure steady, smooth shots no matter the conditions. Up to 31 minutes of flight time thanks to a high-capacity battery. Unparalleled performance. Maximum speed up to 60 km per hour. Advanced control system allows for precise and fast movements. These are just a few of its features. Don't forget to support me by liking the video, subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with friends. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo offers an immersive FPV, first-person view, experience, making it a versatile option for both beginners and advanced drone pilots. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features and capabilities. 1. Camera and imaging. 4K video. The Avata 2 captures crisp 4K/60 FPS HDR video with a 155 degrees ultra-wide-angle field of view, providing stunning and dynamic footage. DJI Store. 1/1.3-inch sensor. This larger sensor enhances the dynamic range and performance in low-light conditions, ensuring high-quality images and videos. DJI Store. 2. Flight performance. Maximum flight time, up to 23 minutes, supported by a 2,150 mAh battery, allowing extended flight sessions. Tech Radar, B&H Photo Video. For video transmission, provides up to 13 kilometers of video transmission distance with low latency, 24 milliseconds, ensuring a clear and stable video feed even at long distances. DJI Official, B&H Photo Video. Speed and agility. The drone has a maximum horizontal speed of 60.4 miles per hour and features a flat, aerodynamic design for improved performance. B&H Photo Video. 3. Stabilization and safety. RockSteady and HorizonSteady. These features ensure stable footage by compensating for high speeds and windy conditions, with HorizonSteady specifically maintaining a level horizon during rotation. B&H Photo Video. Built-in propeller guard. Integrates protection for the propellers, enhancing safety during flights in confined spaces. DJI Store. Binocular fisheye sensors. These sensors provide enhanced visual positioning for safer low-altitude and indoor flights. B&H Photo Video. 4. Ease of use. DJI RC Motion 3 controller, included in the Fly More combo. This intuitive controller simplifies piloting, making it accessible even for beginners. Tech Radar. Turtle mode allows the drone to flip itself upright if it lands upside down, ensuring quick recovery and continuous flight. DJI Store. 1-button acrobatics enables easy execution of flips and rolls, adding a fun element to flying. B&H Photo Video. 5. Additional features. Internal storage. Comes with 46 gigabytes of internal storage, sufficient for approximately 90 minutes of 1080p/60 fps video. DJI Official. Wi-Fi connectivity and Lightcut app facilitates fast file transfer to smartphones and easy, one-tap editing of footage. DJI Official, B&H Photo Video. 6. Combo packages. Single battery combo includes the DJI Avata 2 drone, Goggles 3, RC Motion 3, and essential accessories for a basic setup. 3 battery combo adds a 2-way charging hub, 2 extra batteries, and a sling bag, providing extended flight time and convenient transport. DJI Official. Price and availability. Single battery combo, $999. 3 battery combo, $1,199. Additional accessories such as the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 and ND filter set are also available for enhancing the flying experience. DJI Official, DJI Store. Overall, The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo is designed to deliver an immersive and high-quality FPV flying experience, packed with features that cater to both novices and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Unlock adrenaline-pumping immersive flying, prompt visual feedback through goggles as if you were right there in the cockpit, enjoying a breathtaking perspective, pure thrill, and total freedom. Intuitive motion control. Effortlessly control the drone's movement with your hand, no complex buttons, just natural, easy movements, enabling even beginners to fly confidently and with ease. Easy acrobatics. Fly like a pro in no time. Perform jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts without extensive training. Elevate your flying skills and capture awesome with ease. Tight shots in super wide 4K, the 155 degrees FOV and ultra-sharp video bring you a unique experience, and the 1/1.3-inch image sensor helps you capture stunning 4K/60 FPS low-altitude footage. Built-in propeller guard for safety is super sturdy. With integrated propeller guards, the drone is more robust and durable, allowing you to fly more freely in various scenarios. Hassle-free POV content. Filmmaking at launch. Lightweight and portable, the drone is ready to help capture high-quality POV content, and Lightcut app offers numerous templates to make your content creation a breeze. Immersive experience. DJI FPV Goggles V2 gives you an immersive first-person flight experience, as if you're in the pilot's seat. Perfect for everything. 1. Capture your outdoor adventures, whether it's adventure sports or nature exploration. 2. Capture stunning cinematic footage for your creative projects. 3. Detect and visualize locations from different heights with pinpoint accuracy. Fly More Combo Pack. Comes with 2 extra batteries to ensure continuous flight. Customized carrying case to protect the aircraft and equipment. Multiple chargers to ensure uninterrupted flight.